Hey guys, it's Leg here. I've been getting a lot of complaints that I'm swearing too much. I'm gonna try my best not to swear, alright? Anyway guys, you guys said that I don't play scary games on this channel. And you know what? We're about to change that, alright? I have found this game called Haunted School right here. And you know what? I don't have any clue about this game. So let's try this bitch. My key, okay. Bro, don't play with me, bro. What the fuck? What is she doing over there, bro? Nothing over here, bro. No way right here. There's no fucking way, bro. They want me to go there, bro. Like, the fuck, nigga? Bro, what does she want? I swear on my mama, bro, like, why is this? When I came near her, she started crying and shit, you feel me? Is there no way? What if I go near here? What will happen? Fuck! I didn't swear! Bro, what the fuck? Then you have to use the elevator? Like, it looks like there is no electricity. I need to find where to turn it on. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god, bro. Then where is the suite, bro? Like, is this right here? How can I jump on it? I can't jump. Then where do I have to fucking go, bro? Like, there is no way, bro. Where do I have to go, bro? Like, nigga, what the fuck? Is this right here? Nothing. Bro, she's right here. Oh, bro, like, I have to open. Then E to turn on. Okay, now we have power. What am I closing? Bro, I don't even give a fuck, okay? Even if it's open or what. Oh, I can use the elevator right now, you feel me? Okay, we good now. Oh god, bro. Press G to drop. Easy. We good? What? Who locked this shit, bro? Like, you feel me? Oh my god, bruh. They can hide right here, right? Why is it open? I'ma shoot your ass, bro. Like, if I get one, bitch, I'ma shoot you them ass, bro. No one is following me? Alright. Fuck, bro, class. Where do I have to? Castle. Where I go this side? Oh, here. It's locked. Even this is locked. God damn. Oh God, bro. No happiness. You're here to learn, not to smile. What the fuck? Bullshit. 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 Yo, you wanna know where I'm from, bro? Like, I'm from here. This is my home country. Where? This is my country. See this? Let me reload first. Fuck, bro. Like, I'm from this map. If you can find this right here, bro, I'm from there. That's my country, bro. That's my home country right here. I love this country, bro. It's so peaceful. Like, bro, someone was trying to turn off the power, bro. Like, it's locked. I swear to God, bro. Oh yeah. Wow. What? Then where do we have to go? Oh, what the fuck? I have to grab the key. And I go to the corridor. And I open. Okay, we good, bro. Bro, this game ain't scary. I swear to God, bro. Like, bro. Mother bitch. Fuck this shit, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Like, you feel me? Nigga. Bro, wherever I get scared, my life turns down. If I die, bro, like, I gotta move now. Come on now. There is no way here, right? Motherfucker, I can't shoot that bitch. Oh God, bro, like, how? How did she kill me though? I'm still confused. Motherfucker, the time you come near me, I'm gonna shoot your ass, bro. Swear to God, bro. Open the shit, bro. This is a dead end, bro. Bro, come near me. I'ma shoot your ass, bro. Motherfucker, come near me. Come near me, bitch. Come near me. Motherfucker, come near me, bitch. Don't play with me, bro. Bro, come near me. Come near me. I'm gonna shoot your ass, bro. I have 5 bullets left. But where am I going, bro? Like, bro, the time you come near me, I'm gonna shoot your ass. Bro, it's locked. Motherfucker. Motherfucker, bro. Mother. Bitch ass nigga. Get the fuck out of here, bro. There is no way. Is there a way over here? This is a fucking dead end. Then where do I have to fucking go, bro? Like, you straight? Mother! Bullshit! 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 I'm done. I'm done, bro. Like, I'm done, bro. Mother! Ah! Oh! Mother, shoot that bitch! Shoot that bitch! Where the fuck is he? He ran away. Bro, the next time she gets me, I'm dead, bro. Oh shit, bro, like. Ah, God. Now I don't have even a gun. Where is my gun? I have to get my gun. Bro. Run! Mother bitch! I can't shoot the bitch! Where's the fucking gun? Bullshit! God damn! God damn, bro! Bro. I'm dead, bro. Let me get my gun, bro. Like, get the fucking gun, alright? Then shoot this bitch. If it comes in the way, bro. Bro, come, bitch. Come, motherfucker, come. Bullshit. Come. Fucking twat. Come. Where you are, bitch? Bro, come over here. Where? These kids are playing too much, bro. Like, I'm close this door. The time you enter this room, you ain't gonna come out. Where you at, bro? Oh my god, bruh. It means I have to kill this motherfucker to survive? I don't even know. Oh shit, bro. Where you at, bitch? Bro, I can't surpass this level, I swear to God, bro. I have to kill this motherfucker. Bro, come, motherfucker, come. Come, bullshit. Come. Play with me, bro. Where is she? She's not here. She ain't here, bro. Come and shoot your ass, bro. Like, motherfucker, come over here. She struck me and she ran away. Go! Bullshit. Where is she? Nah, bro, this can't be me playing this stupid ass game, bro. This can't be me, bro. I swear to God, bro, this can't be me, bro. Like, this can't be me, bro. Shoot her! I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm off, bro. This game is trash. There is no way you can fucking kill that bitch. There is no fucking way, bro. Ain't no fucking way I'm gonna kill that bitch. There is no way. I'm gonna try one more time, bro. Like, come on, fucker, bro. Where you at? Come and strike me, bitch. Bitch, shoot her. Shoot her. I reload. I don't have bullets. I reload. I don't have bullets. I'm off, bro. I'm off.
Nah, I'm bad. Shorty Q's not average, buzz on rolly avalanche. And I know some savages. No, you can't hang with my gang, cause we're not the same. No, you can't.